I might have just found the dollar for dollar best headphones for your money. We're going to check out the Edifier W830BTs right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name is Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's get into the video. So a couple of weeks ago, Jeff from El Jefe Reviews reviewed these actual headphones, and he's a buddy of mine. And the way he talked about them made me kind of jealous. I kind of wanted them. So I put them in my Amazon cart, but I never ordered them. It wasn't until I saw Jeff in California just a couple of weeks ago and I actually got to feel them in my hands that I wanted to order them and review them on this channel. So I got them, and I decided to get a color that most of the people don't get. I got the white and the other color, the color that I thought was gold. But in person, it looks a little pink, which is a little frustrating because, I mean, there's nothing wrong with pink, but I'm not trying to wear it. Having said that, these headphones are pretty amazing. Now, normally you know that I take the headphones out of the box for the first time on camera and listen to them for the first time on camera. But something happened yesterday. I actually did the full review of this and recorded it, and my microphone wasn't plugged in. So I'm doing it again, which means I already kind of know everything about these things, and I'll tell you about them anyway, but I'm a little frustrated that you didn't get to see my first impression of what they sound like, but I can tell you all about it. So let me talk to you about the stats that really are amazing about these things. 60 days of standby, which is kind of mind-blowing, but 90 hours of playtime. Now, I'm not one to call anyone a liar, but that sounds like a lie. I mean, 40 hours on most headphones is amazing, but 90 is like, come on, man. Because I don't have 90 hours to kind of test these out, I asked my man El Jefe, I said, Jeff, listen, how long did you get on these? And he said he legitimately got over 80 hours of playback time. So take that for what it is. Let's just say that 80 hours is substantially longer than any other headphones anywhere near this price point, which by the way is under $70. So right off the bat, $70 for 80 hours of battery life. Holy monkey. Bluetooth 4.1, you have aptX support, it has NFC to pair. Oh my gosh, like only Sony headphones have been doing that. It's such a simple thing to do. But here's what excited me about these headphones. From the minute I took them out of the box, which by the way, the box is some of the nicest packaging for an under $100 headphone I've ever seen in my life. Some real nice sponge material in here. The box is so nice and such high quality, I actually don't want to throw it away, which is kind of a weird thing to say, but this just shows the care that they put in their product. In addition, they give you a really nice case. Big, fits everything in there. It's really smooth, really nice material. The inner part just is vacuum formed, so you don't have to just kind of plop it in there. It actually fits perfectly. They give you a nice bunch of cables, little pocket here that Velcros to the back. Here's the thing about this. Let me explain to you why this impresses me so much. Typically, when you're under $100, you're not paying attention to these details. And Edifier is absolutely paying attention to some incredible details, things that delight customers. A lot of companies either won't throw in a case or a bag for their headphones, or they'll just throw in a little crappy one that smells really bad. Edifier has gone ahead and made the case and the box amazing. And then when it comes to the headphones, they take it to another level. The cushions on this thing are absolutely amazing. They're so soft. They're absolutely cushiony. They feel like little pillows. The whole quality feel of these headphones is great. And I will say for sure, they feel a lot better than a lot of $100 headphones, let alone $70 headphones. And when you put them on, they feel light as a feather, like you don't even know that they're on. The crazy thing about these is, because they're so soft and because they're so light, you can wear these for hours, which is great because you have battery life for hours and hours and hours. And when you turn them on, this is where they really shine. They're not the loudest I've ever heard, and the bass is not the best. However, it is such a balanced sound. These may be the dollar for dollar best headphones of 2018. And here's what I mean. The highs and mids are so crisp and clear that the bass, which is absolutely there, it's absolutely solid, just complements the sound. It's not overpowering, and you guys know I'm a bass head. It's not overpowering. These things sound great. And I played all different types of music on these things, and every single type of song sounds great. Again, heavy bass, no, but clear bass, very clear highs and mids, yes. Great comfort, yes. The price is right. If I'm Bluedio, I'm shaking in my boots. I've had so many reviews on Bluedio headphones this year, and I've talked about how they seem to be going downwards in their quality. This is a step up. And let me tell you something, Bluedio, you in trouble. So I'm gonna say it now, dollar for dollar, pound for pound. These are the headphones to buy. The champions, as far as I'm concerned, in 2018 for mid-budget headphones that have a great sound, a great feel, and an incredible price. The Edifiers are it. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week, having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.